Hello guys, I'm Matsumjami. Today I'm going to show you how to do hard drive partition in any version of Windows, that is Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 or 8.1 and Windows 10 in just 3 minutes. So please watch the video till the end. And also I will show you how to delete or extend volume of any drive, that is C drive, D drive etc without formatting your PC or laptop. Okay, now let's begin the partition. Now we have only one drive, that is C drive. First of all, open, run, by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. And type compmgmt.msc. By doing this, computer management will open up. Now click on this, disk management. There are 3 partition, out of which, first 2 partition are recovery drive. This is the main drive which is indicated with letter C. To do partition of this drive, right click on here. Now click on shrink volume. Wait for available shrink space to open up. You can see available shrink spaces 22868 megabytes. So we can shrink the volume only up to the available space or less. Let's shrink the new volume to 20,000 megabytes, which is equal to 214 GB approx. C drive is shrink, or divided into 2 drive. Right click on an allocated drive. And click on new simple volume. Allocate any space you want. Select any drive letter you wish. New simple volume is created. As you can see, now we have 2 drives, C drive and D drive. Let's make another drive. Right click on newly created volume and follow the same procedure as shown before. Another volume is created now. Now we have 3 drive, C drive, D drive and E drive. Now let me show you how to delete a drive. Select any drive you wish to delete except C drive. Right click on it and click on delete volume. E drive is deleted now. Now to extend the volume of drive D. Right click here and click on extend volume. Deleted volume is now merged to drive D. We have only 2 drive now. This is how you can delete and extend the volume. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also you can share it with your friends and family. If you know any other better way to do it or have any query, do leave a comments.